we dive in? Hi, my name is JP. You're watching NZ Trip YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today, we're exploring a hidden gem in Auckland, Lake Pupuke, right here in Takapuna. You already spot that charming building by the dock. That's the Pump House Theatre, a historical landmark. As the camera flies in the sky, you'll see the town of Takapuna. It's a great mix of local shops, cafe, and peaceful lake view. Lake Pupuke is actually a volcanic crater. The whole lake is formed on an ancient volcano. It's now a peaceful spot for water sports and bird life. And just look at those birds taking off. It was such a perfect one. Whether you're walking by the lake or just relaxing by the dock, it's got a really calming vibe. And don't mind these seagulls, they seem to love this place too. People come here to jog, paddleboard, picnic, and even scuba dive. Yep, that van belongs to a local scuba training group. Here's a quick peek at the lake's story. This info boat tells us that Pupuke Moana means the waters of Pupuke in Maori. It holds cultural and natural significance. We also spotted some historic plaques, including one from 1905 connected to E.W. Allison, a local figure who helped develop the area. The pump house itself used to be a water pumping station, but now it's a cozy theatre space. Really adds character to the lakeside. Now, here's the restaurant we visited, French Vendésoise Cafe. It's tucked beside the lake, offering a delightful French menu. The food was delicious, though a bit pricey side, but dining here with the serene lake view is truly calming and a unique experience. This area is perfect for peaceful walks. The red tree was glowing in the sun. And look, there's someone enjoying their day with their dog. Oh, and here's some food from earlier. We had some starters, some chicken salad, and some pasta. It was very delicious. One of the coolest parts of this lake is it's super popular for windsurfing. And you can take lessons or just rent gear. It's a fun sport, especially on a windy day. Keep your eyes out for the black swans. They're beautiful and just glides across the lake so graceful. From underwater views to birds up close, Lake Pupuke is full of tiny moments like these. As the day winds down and the sun starts to set, you can really feel how peaceful this place is. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this small journey around Lake Pupuke. I'd like to make more videos like this to give more content and ideas for travelers in New Zealand. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.